Yeah. Taki from Bree. Fuck 'em all. Kendrick, Drake, ASAP, and the rest. If you don't know me, I'm introducing myself as Taki. One of a kind, there ain't another living soul just like me. Son of a gun, yeah, I'm one of the ones getting you jumping. Best believe that I can live in here without something in it to win it from the beginning right to the finish. He's a career with street lyrics, never giving gimmicks. I be technical like Eminem and even like Corrupt. And I can make the dumbest people understand and know what's up. And at the moment, it's about the Taki. Always in Nikes, making my raps exciting when I'm spitting my rhymes. Freaking suckers that have a listen and it sticks to their mind. They be surprised how a young Corey's ripping his lines, spitting to find you the tickety tie, getting it right. And I ain't stop until my name is bright, lit up in lights. That's been the situation ever since I could ride. Now that my raps are tight, I can never kiss them goodbye because they're magically natural, actual, psychiatrical, diabolically, criminal, excitingly spectacular. They got a bit of envy, pride, greed, and lust, plus some hate, sloth, fries, speaking plenty of love. What can I say? Guess I was born this way. A freaky sucker from the motherfucking streets. Now you know my name. And if you didn't know, now you know. Bruh, it all started at the age of 15 when I discovered I was blessed with an amazing gift. I used to freestyle, and meanwhile the mean child with a clean style on grain made it sound so supreme. I used to rap battle anyone who knew that could rap, making them feel stupid when their own friends would clap for me, bursting my curses at any stupid place. I made sure that I was the first, and then my rhymes were mad when they were mentally getting to these freakers who would mention me negative in a sentence when they ripping their raps. I would take a second to listen, then I rip them right back, laughing and spinning at the same. No one to have a nightcap. It's like that. The tacos right back, looking for fame, the right track, so everyone could then know my name. Now you know my name. And if you didn't know, now you know. Bruh, these days the pot sorta got me going insane. I maintain that I won't change, still remain the same. My freestyles are great. When I write it be amazing. When I go walk a cappella, see my voice creating a beat. Expecting infection, inspecting my rapping methods, injecting exceptional, offensive, infectious rhymes to your brain, uncompassionate, hazardous, rational, relevant, intelligent, and definitely devoted. When I'm rapping this way, dedicating my raps to haters. My nations be waiting patient for somebody like me. Now the talk is here to stay. This is my game, I am this king, so what you see is what you're getting. Also, I ain't stop until the world is yelling my name. Tell you again, it's Taki, fast like lightning and satin is what me not to be polite when I be rapping this way. Actually, don't even bother to stand up or man up or put your hand up when I rap in the streets, cause the people love me. When I rap in the streets, around the Korea in a circle and clap for the beat. Every time I'm out in public, that happen to me. When I'm finished putting it down, they all look happy to me. The Korean man who rap with an American accent can get you dancing and clapping until you're ready to leave. Everywhere I go, got at least 10 people up on their feet. When it's time to go, a young Curry, ducking and weaving, achieving, accomplish simplicity or complex situations. When I'm facing them on any old day, and I'll be still doing the same for many more days. They show you all my rapping style in more than 24 ways. After a couple million sales, I'll be getting on green, stacking the cash and getting my mosey heading for Bree. We got a couple more albums and put them out in the streets. Ain't no telling what's gonna come out of my mouth and the beats. You can hear that I'm proud about it when my sound's on the beat. Coming up with the type of shit that makes shit rappers retreat. It's like a new breed of rapper is about to evolve. I'll be all other rappers' problem. Ain't no getting me so. Up from the underground, pop it out like it's nothing else. Something in this cool style make you wanna dance and jump around. Addicted addict with habits who's gotta have it. The madness, I'm like a drug, there ain't no turning me down. All my raps may be to blame for Okuri climbing the fame. All the haters, they think I'm lame because I put them in shame. This how it is, that's how I go. Everybody feeling this flow is guaranteed 100% to be knowing my name. Tell y'all again, you're gonna be knowing my name. Half of the motherfucking world will be knowing my name. Cause who the best in us in the world? If you didn't know, now you know. Bruh, international rapper, fuck 'em all. Kendrick, Drake, ASAP Rocky, 360 Briggs Cursor. I'm coming, motherfuckers, Hilltop Hoods, bitches.